Okay, so the full arm starts from tout de porte de ferro or full iron door. The important thing to remember with porte de ferro is that your sword tip, if this was a clock around you, is at 2 o'clock. It is not at 3 o'clock, it is not at 12 o'clock, it is at 2 o'clock. And the important thing with porte de ferro is when you begin your action with porte de ferro, you have to have a pivoting motion here with your sword, just like this. You cannot bring your hands up, because if you do that, as you can see slowly, my hands are exposed before my tip comes forward. So you must bring your tip forward before you extend your arms. So bring your tip forward and extend your arms. Tip forward and extend your arms. So the form is as follows. Into the porte de ferro, you start with a thrust, you drop your tip, you step back, and you use a false edge cut while thumbing the blade to here, just to the center. You step forward with a true edge cut, a reverso fendente. You volte stabile, stable turn back into your finestra. You satano forward, or you step forward with a satano. You bring your sword back to posto di donna sinestra. You mandrito fendente, or sorry, reverso fendente, and back down the full iron door. It's a little bit faster. It's your thrust, cut, cut, turn, cut, cut, and you can start over from here. So I'll do that from the side. From porte de ferro, 2 o'clock. Thrust, cut, cut, turn, cut, cut. All right, and then pay attention to the feet. You first have a pass with your thrust. You step backwards with an accrescere to your next cut. With that same left foot, step forward with your cut, stable turn, step forward with a stable turn, and step forward again, back into tout de porte de ferro.